11 documents for one project, and every chat starts with uploading them again. That is the problem Copilot Notebooks exists to end. Pin the documents once in a named workspace, and every question you ever ask there draws its answer from that set alone. This is Video 5. What notebooks are, the 5-minute setup, and what they do that chat cannot. A notebook is a workspace with a fixed source list. You pin up to 300 references, and Copilot answers from those references only. 2 license facts before you start. Notebooks need the paid Copilot add-on, plus a SharePoint or OneDrive license underneath. The difference from chat is what feeds the answers, and how long anything lasts. Chat queries your live mail, calendar, and Teams, and each conversation makes you rebuild context from scratch. A notebook queries the documents you chose, and it persists. Come back next week, and the sources, the chats, and the generated content are where you left them. Setup is 3 moves. Notebooks in the left sidebar, all notebooks, new notebook. Name it by topic, and keep it to one topic. 1 notebook per project beats 1 giant catch-all. Then add references. Pick from OneDrive or SharePoint, add links or upload files straight in, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF, and more. Here is ours: Project Beacon, 2 pinned documents, a status note, and a rollout plan. The references sit on the left, and the chat asks about your content, which now means exactly those 2 files. And here is why you pin documents together instead of reading them one at a time. We asked 1 question across both. What do they say about the budget, and do they agree? The answer quotes each document by name, line for line, and then says it plainly: disagreement identified. The status note assumes a 120,000 envelope. The plan says 110, 10,000 apart, and neither document knows it. The notebook also writes its own overview, a summary and key insights generated from the references, refreshed as they change. And the quick create route turns the same sources into an audio overview, a mind map, or a study guide. 1 click each. Anything you create here, Word docs, decks, pages, stays associated with the notebook. 3 additions worth knowing this year. You can pin entire SharePoint sites and folders, not just files. You can ground a Copilot Studio agent on a notebook, so a whole team queries your curated sources through 1 agent. And 2-way OneNote sync is rolling out, in preview since June with general availability targeted for July. So a notebook opens and continues in either app. So when does a notebook win? Whenever the same documents come back week after week. Project packs, reports, specs, and contracts in one place. Standards and compliance frameworks you keep consulting. Versions of a deliverable you need compared. Meeting prep, agenda, pre-reads, and briefings pinned together the night before. The full written guide, including the setup steps and the reference limits, is at kesslernerdy.com/guides, link below. This matches the live product as of July 22nd, 2026, and the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, Researcher, the Deep Research Agent.